Raj Prakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on these news. 151 birth of Mahatma Gandhi was celebrated in front part of Asansol along with Steel City Baranpur. Floral tributes were paid to Gandhiji at Triveni Mode, Bata Mode, Congress Office and other places. Dignitaries present were Sri Harjit Singh, General Secretary of Asansol Iron and Steel Workers Union Ajay Roy, Prem Narayan Singh, Vijay Singh and several others. Blood donation camp was also organized as a mark of respect to donation and equality. Sankodia 2 October, a one-day football tournament was organized on Friday at the Colliery Football Ground in Parabali in Nituria block under the aegis of the Tripu Coaching Center. The game was inaugurated by Prablia Colliery Security Officer Deveshis Ganguly and Trade Union representative Deveshis Banerjee. Kicking the ball, Yogesh Pati, Tripathi of Congress and other include Kajal Putendi, Shanto Chatterjee, Hashibul Rahman, Rajdayal Mirda, Bondhan Narayan Singh, Ashok Singh, Ashlok Singh, Hare Ram Singh, Radhe Shyam Shah, Suresh Shah were present on the occasion. According to the information, a total of 12 teams participated in this football tournament. Team deceased on the ground after garlanding the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, the first father of nation. In the first game, the team of Prablia United Club and Sankodia Kishore Sangha meet. Other including Yogesh Pati Tripathi and Hasibul Rahman congratulated all the players and encouraged them to play with full spirit and enthusiasm. 15 to 15 minutes were set for each team. The game continued until the news was written. In support of the agriculture bill, BJP MP Loket Chattopadhyay led a first procession and held a meeting with around 5,000 BJP workers in the Purulia Hunda block area, led by the Purulia District Secretary Ansari. According to the information in front of agriculture bill, the procession path inaugurated from the Huda petrol pump of Nimtal Mode, about 2 km away. This was followed by a path sabha. Seeing the happiness of the supporter in this procession was being made from the form, BJP leader Loket said that the central government passed a bill playing a humanitarian role in the interest of poor farmers. Poor farmers will benefit from passing such bills.
তাকে গাছে ঝুলিয়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে এবং এই পুরুলিয়া থেকে শুরু হয়েছে মেরে গাছে ঝুলিয়ে দেওয়া, তারপর সারা বাংলায় একের পর এক দেখুন, দিনাজপুরেও দেখবেন আমাদের একজন বিধায়ককে গলায় দড়ি দিয়ে আজকে মেরে ঝুলিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। সারা বাংলায় এই
Vikas Prasad Sankodia, 2nd October, ECL CMD Prem Sagar Mishra inaugurated Mahatma Gandhi Udyan at ECL headquarters, Sankodia on Friday to commemorate the 151 birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. During Cleanliness Month 2020 under Mission Jagran of ECL Steel Plant unveiled. The statue of Mahatma Gandhi was unveiled in this former garden. On this occasion, Director Technical Planning Project Jayaprakash Gupta, Director Personal Vinay Ranjan, Director Technical Operation B. Vara Reddy, CMD Technical Secretary Niladari Rai, Ranjit Jose Thakur, Labor Organization Representative Aprajit Banerjee, Viman Bihar Mukherjee, Malayadri Bose, Mahadev Banerjee, Pradeep Chatterjee, among others were present.
वल्लभ भाई पटेल के नाम से एक उद्यान बनाए, ये गांधी के नाम से उद्यान बनाए, भविष्य में हम लोग उनके नाम से उद्यान बनाएंगे। जी जी, शास्त्री जी के नाम से।
उनको एक फूल माला
नहीं, ये सब तो विवाद का विषय है। वो मन में श्रद्धा है, वो हमारे देश के आदर्श रहे हैं, उनके लिए मन में श्रद्धा है। जी जी, पूरी मन में श्रद्धा है।
सर टॉपिक कुछ चेंज
हाँ?
2-3 और हमको
Sankodia to October, the 151st birth anniversary of Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi was celebrated with full reverence at the Ishal headquarter campus. But on this day, no program was visible on the birth anniversary of Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, born on 2 October. Even offering garland with his name was not seen. On occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, garlanding the statue of Gandhi Ji near Pandeshwar area mode. Pandeshwar MLA and Mayor of Asansol Municipal Corporation Jitendra Tiwari, President of Trinamool Congress vs Bardhaman District Pandeshwar Panchayat Samiti on the occasion. President of Madan Bauri, Block President of Yuva Trinamool Congress Sanjay Yadav of Haripur Gram were present. Let's hear what Jitendra Tiwari said. स्वागत समारोह ऑफ अर्जुन सिंह पीएम एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बीजेपी WB by स्टेट लीडर पासवान कुमार सिंह एट पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय समका समिति ऑफिसर बरनपुर लखन गुरुरी डॉक्टर प्रमोद पाठक आशा शर्मा राम अधिकारी बीकू ठाकुर धर्मेंद्र सिंह पिंकी मिश्रा दातू करमकार महेश यादव चंदन शाह धर्मेंद्र यादव बच्चू भंडारी शिखा झा नारायण गुप्ता रिंकू गुप्ता अमित कुमार यादव गीता सिंह सीमा रॉय मोहन हेला बाधास चटर्जी वरुण पाल गणेश मांडी उत्तम मुखर्जी रवि विश्वकर्मा and many others were present in the procession. Central Trade Union and Independent Federation declared national white journal strike on 26 November 2020 against the anti-worker, anti-farmer, anti-people, anti-national policies of BJP government in an online national convention of worker held on Gandhi Jayanti Day. 2nd October 2020, the National Convention strongly demanded the onslaught on the basic patriotic and consultation right of the worker, farmer and common people of our country by Modi-led BJP government at the center as well as by the BJP state government.